How many of those priceless childhood memories of yours are just buried? I'm talking about blurry 480p videos, or those low-res photos that are just covered in digital noise. Look, we're living in this world of 4K displays and social media perfection, but our past? It's kind of stuck in the past. Well, I'm here to tell you that high-def restoration is finally actually here. I know, you've probably seen those AI tools that claim to fix everything, but then they just make everyone look like a weird, shiny wax figure, right? Yeah, that's not it. But now, the game has officially changed, and the bar for quality has been pushed to a whole new level. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Ryan, and today we're looking at what I honestly think is the ultimate all-in-one restoration powerhouse, Aiarty. Whether you're a photographer dealing with super noisy shots, or a videographer trying to save some shaky, blurry footage, this software isn't just a simple upscaler. I mean, it's basically a digital time machine for your media. Let's just jump straight into the source of the magic, the official site, aiarty.com. When you're on the site, you'll see they've split their tech into two main pillars. There's the Aiarty Image Enhancer for your stills, and the Aiarty Video Enhancer for your clips. Both tools share the same core philosophy, regenerating real details instead of just, stretching pixels. Let's start with the image side, because honestly, that's the foundation of everything here. The site talks about their 4-in-1 fix: denoise, deblur, depixel, and deartifact. And this is all powered by 3 professional AI models that I've personally put to the test. First, the more detailed GAN. This thing is the absolute champion for textures. I'm talking hair, skin, fur, you name it. If you've got a portrait that looks a bit soft, this model literally grows the skin pores and eyelashes back. It's wild. Then there's Smooth Diff. This is a total lifesaver for the AI art creators out there. We all love Midjourney, but we hate those weird AI artifacts and that plastic skin look, right? Smooth Diff just washes that away while keeping the artistic vibe perfectly intact. And the real photo model? That's for the purists. It's all about bringing back that original, raw clarity to your photography. But here's where Aiarty really pulls ahead of everyone else: the video enhancement. I think a lot of people don't even realize Aiarty has a dedicated video enhancer this powerful. If you've got old family tapes or low-quality clips from an old phone, this is it. It uses specialized models like MoDetail HQ and Super Video to tackle motion blur and noise. On the site, you can see some pretty insane examples of 720p footage being upscaled to crisp 4K. But it's not just about the resolution, it's the movement. The video enhancer has this advanced AI frame interpolation, so you can take a standard 24 or 30 frames per second video and boost it to 60 or even 120 frames per second. The result is that buttery smooth motion that looks like it was shot on a modern high-speed camera. And for the cinematographers, the SDR to HDR conversion is a huge surprise. It intelligently expands the dynamic range, giving your old videos 10-bit color and rich highlights. One other thing they mention on the site that I personally love is the audio denoise. Because when you're fixing a video, the noise isn't just visual, right? It's in the audio too. Aiarty has this voice filter that strips away background wind or hiss in literally one click. It's basically a complete toolbox for anyone making content for YouTube or socials. So, why go with Aiarty instead of those popular cloud-based services? Well, reason number 1, speed. It's deeply optimized for NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel hardware. Since it runs locally on your computer, it can use up to 95% of your GPU power. That means batch processing 3,000 images or a long 4K video is faster than ever. Second reason, and I know we all care about this, is privacy. Your private photos and videos never leave your hard drive. There's no uploading to a random server and no waiting in a cloud queue. And like you can see on the site, the interface is super friendly. I mean, you don't need a degree in data science to get professional results. You just drag your file in, pick your model, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. You can even turn off the super resolution if you just want to focus on colour or audio. It gives you that pro-level control, but with a really simple layout. I've used this tool to rescue footage I honestly thought was a total goner. From blurry wildlife photos to noisy low-light interviews, it just delivers. It even has an AI eraser for photos to zap away photobombers and distractions instantly. If you're serious about your visual quality, you really need to go to aiarty.com. They offer a free trial, so you can test your most difficult files before you commit. Stop letting low resolution and digital noise hold back your creative vision. Give your memories and your new projects the high-def quality they deserve. I honestly believe this is the most robust AI enhancement suite on the market right now. Go check out the site, play with the different models, and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more deep dives coming soon. Keep creating, keep enhancing, and I'll see you in the next one.